Hello viewers, welcome to Healthcare Engineering YouTube channel. Here is our modern healthcare video series where we share new technology, innovations and useful informations. We as a team working efficiently to provide various supports to both healthcare professionals in their business and students in their academics as well as projects. If you have any queries, contact us in the given mail ID. You can also visit our blog www.learnbiomedengine.blogspot.com to learn more topics. In today's modern healthcare video series, we'll learn about the role of RFID technology in healthcare. RFID is nothing but radio frequency identification technology. RFID is a wireless system which uses radio waves at different frequencies to transfer data. The basic RFID system include RFID reader and RFID tag. RFID reader is a device which has one or more antenna that emits radio waves and receives signal back from the RFID tag. RFID tag is attached to assets to transmit stored data to the antenna. The antenna receives the stored data from the tag and transmits that data to an RFID reader. And finally, the final data is transmitted into the RFID database where it can be stored and evaluated. The applications of RFID include patient tracking the location of patient along with the history of medical records, inventory management, checking stock availability and tracking orders, equipment and asset tracking, checking the availability of equipments like wheelchairs. For example, using this RFID system, one can easily track the location and availability of wheelchair in the hospital building. The final one is drug authentication, which involves checking drug stocks and also to ensure the patients receive correct medication on time. This also prevents counterfeit of drugs. For patient tracking, RFID wristbands are used. This is specially useful for newborn babies to avoid mismatching and from kidnapping. RFID labels can be used to secure babies. RFID sensors are used in surgical instruments to keep track of them. This prevents a serious issue where the device has been accidentally left inside a patient's body during surgery. The RFID embedded medical devices are also used for tracking the health condition of the patient. These embedded medical devices reduce the time to diagnose. These devices consist of a preloaded disease symptom file, and with the help of this file, the device performs various tests and acquires data, and the data are stored on the cloud for further analysis. Advantages of RFID technology include RFID technology in hospitals, supply chain management and laboratories offer real-time tracking of assets, products and laboratory samples. RFID technology-enabled hospitals can monitor the quality of drugs in the supply chain in order to maintain the standards and compliance. RFID data can be stored, managed and shared online. This is easier for maintaining electronic medical records and asset management applications. RFID technology is also used to reduce medical errors caused by the devices and working personnel. That's all about RFID technology. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, share our channel to your friends and colleagues, and please like our YouTube videos. You can also follow us in any of the social media platforms and the links are given in the description below. Hope you are enjoy watching our videos. Thank you for watching.